Welcome to my demo for RepoPulse, an AI-powered repository analytics, transforming GitHub repositories into actionable engineering insights. So, unmasking the hidden risks in your code base. So, every engineering team faces a challenge, shipping fast while accumulating unseen risk. RepoPulse transforms GitHub repositories into measurable, predictive, and actionable engineering intelligence. The gaps in native analytics. So let's look at the problem. There are some gaps in native analytics, like there's limited predictive risk scoring and anomaly detection. There is also absence of churn forecasting and AI-powered insights. There is no comprehensive repository health index, and finally, there is a lack of proactive intelligence and cross-repo benchmarking. So, RepoPulse, your AI-powered intelligence platform. It has machine learning powered risk detection for pull requests. It has predictive analytics for file churn and trends. It also got repository health scoring with detailed breakdowns. It also has real time insights and enhanced team collaboration. And also, finally, it has comprehensive visual analytics and benchmarking. So, scalable and robust architecture. RepoPulse is a multi-service platform. Next.js front end, Node.js plus Express backend, Python fast API machine learning microservice, and PostgreSQL database. This separation ensures scalability, fault isolation, and enterprise readiness. So AI models driving removals. So we have the, the pull request risk model. So it's a random forest classifier which predicts pull request risk from 0 to 1. There is a file churn model. Random forest regressor forecasts the file volatility. There is also anomaly detector. Isolation force identifies unusual contributor patterns. And there is also a risk assessment, which is gradient boosting for repository level risk scoring. So quantifying health. Yes, co-engine. So RepoPulse's health score is a composite metric from 0 to 100, dynamically calculated using factors like average pull request risks, high churn files, anomaly count, and merge velocity, providing an immediate snapshot of repository well-being. So overall health score and risk breakdown. This is for the dashboard. There is also real-time merge velocity and hotspot files. There's detailed contributor network analysis, and there's also finally there's actionable trend charts updated via WebSockets. So proactive pull request risk detection. Each pull request is assigned an AI-driven risk score from 0 to 1, supported by detailed risk factors like file volatility and dependency sensitivity. AI-generated explanations help prioritize reviews and mitigate issues early. It has predictive also file churn. It forecasts which files are most likely to become unusable, unstable, highlighting high churn areas for proactive refactoring and maintenance. And also there is a forecasting installation and detecting anomalies, which contributes to anomaly detection. The isolation force model flags unusual contributor behaviors such as sudden commit spikes or critical changes from new contributors, reducing insight risk. Now let's go for the demo. And RepoPulse at localhost 3000. Here you have the dashboard. You can switch to light mode or dark mode. And if you click Ctrl K, you can search for the repositories you have. And then here we enter the repository link. And then we click Analyze. And then here, after you're done, you can see now the dashboard after the analysis has been done. You can see the overall health score. You can see the risk breakdown, the merge velocity, the hotspot filter, and the contributor network and 10 charts. Like here in the description you have everything. The top churn files, you can here see the pull requests, the hotspots, contributors, and then you can stimulate any changes to the lines added or files changed, which here will raise your stress score. And then here you can generate an AI summary, but this is currently on mock, and you can export it to a CSV or JSON, and you can give it a feedback. And then we go to the benchmark screen. Here you will have all the repositories where you can check and see their health, like their rather comparison. You can have some benchmark assignments for them, or here you can go to the visualization screen where you can see everything, the code heat map, the timeline, and then you can for the dependencies you will need a GitHub patch, but you can then view the dependencies of your project or the contributors of your project. Thank you.